Today's video will be on us removing a fender on an F-150. Now we have the door done, we moved on this truck, so just imagine there is a door here when you go to remove your fender. I'm going to be showing you exactly what bolts you need to remove to get your fender off your 81 Ford. Now on the inside of the door, there are one bolt. Do you see it? It's right in here. You will need to remove that bolt. Now up top, there are two bolts right here from the wiper cowl. You will need to remove those two. They are 13s. Yep. And inside, these guys right here, there's two. You will need to remove those. Now once you get them bolts removed, I will show you where the other bolts is on your fender. Now these on this side is a 12 on a truck. They may be a little bit different. Now on down here where this is, there are some bolts you will have to go underneath the truck and remove. One is done out of this, right here, as you can see. And there's one more here. You will need to remove those bolts, but you will have to go underneath this valance here and remove them. That was one of them. Now on this fender you will have to maybe remove your thing if it ain't got the regular normal bolts in it, because our bolts is spinning. We had to remove the bezel here just so we could get two M2 bolts. Now on the driver's side we done removed that fender, and you did not have to do that. They was just 5/16 and they came right out. But this side we do have to remove this bezel. I don't know if somebody been here or not already, but go ahead and remove those bolts. Now once you get them two bolts out, you have two more bolts that mounts this bracket on. You can remove this bracket with the fender, but I prefer to just leave it onto the radiator support. Just go ahead and remove those two bolts. Okay, once you get your bolts out of the front all the way down and underneath the radiator support, you can come back to where the door was. Underneath here, right in here, usually under this, there is a bolt hidden. You will need to remove that bolt. So if you're going to leave your fender well on the inside, they are four ways. All the way around this fender lip, you will need to remove. Now we are taking a fender well out with the fender at the same time, so we will have to remove this bolt right here in the back. It holds it onto the, like a frame mount. And then it should be loose enough to pull this whole fender out once we get all this unhooked. Once you get all that, get a buddy to help you with the fender. Now watch that bottom bolt. If you wait on the last part, the fender will fall on you if you ain't got a buddy. Won't it, Tony?
Yes, it will.
Yeah,
thanks for the help.
You're welcome. I was filming and it fell on him. Yeah, I edited that out, don't worry. But that's how you remove a fender on your Ford F-150, and you're dropping stuff, Tony. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Check our channel out for more content. Drop us a like and leave us a comment. See you next time.